Hey guys, I'm going to show you, in case you forget your password and you're stuck and you cannot log in, you can actually try to do the lost your password through this. But even then if it still doesn't work, then there's a better way to do it through PhpMyAdmin. So to do that, you can first head over to your CPanel and you scroll down to PhpMyAdmin. You click on that. Here you have all the databases of the site that are listed in your cPanel, but I'm not too sure what database is associated with this domain. So I'm going to find that out using File Manager. So to do that, you go back to your cPanel, head over to File Manager, and then look for your site. So this is my files directory for this particular domain. So once you're here, you scroll down to wp-config file, right? So you right click and edit. So here it shows our database is WP658. So that's what we're going to look for. So go back to PhpMyAdmin and here it is 658. So click on that. And we can also cross confirm if this is the site that we are editing. So if you see this option table, you can click on this and we can also see the URL here. So this is the one we need to change password of. To change the password, we can go back to users table here. And if you see, we have our user password here, but this is an encrypted version of the password. So we click on edit. This is what we need to edit, user_pass. So this is the encrypted version. We cannot copy paste this one. So we need to create a new one. So for this tutorial, I'm going to type in a password for this, which is new password. Now we cannot click save yet. We need to click on this drop down and re-encrypt the password to MD5. So make sure this is MD5 and then you have your new password set here because we need it to re-encrypt again. And we scroll down and click go. So the password is now changed and this is our new encrypted one. But we can go back to our admin dashboard and type in the password that we just set and click enter. Now we're back into our WordPress dashboard. You can actually go back to this users and click on all users and click edit here. So once you're here, make sure your email is correct so that the next time you get locked out, if you get locked out, you can request password to the email rather than going back to PhpMyAdmin. Thanks for watching, guys.